Hey, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Today is May 13th. It's the 133rd day of the year. Okay, now, don't say I didn't tell you or did nobody let you know how fast this year was going. Listen, today is World Cocktail Day, and we're going to get back to that in a minute. That needs a whole video all by itself. But I want to talk to you about National Chickpea Day. And chickpeas are also known as garbanzo beans. So I know you've heard of them. I want to talk to you about them and the herbalist in me. And what is it? I would say I have a internal vegan inside of me that I will never let come completely out. But I am on the inside, deep down inside, I'm vegan. And inside, I'm vegetarian. But for real, I eat whatever I want to eat in moderation, intentionally. So I think about it a lot. And sometimes when I think about it, it causes me not to eat pork for years and things like that. But I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of bacon bits in my life. But anyway, back to the garbanzo beans. It's National Chickpea Day. Let me see. First, I want to tell you about hummus. So hummus is made from chickpeas. I don't know if you're familiar with hummus or not. It is a dip, and it's a Arab delicacy. It's an Arab dish, really, and it's made with chickpeas. Simplest dip you can make for your next charcuterie board or party. Great with chips. I love it with bread. Hard crusty bread. But hummus is chickpeas, tahini, which is just garlic paste, some fresh lemon juice, and seasonings. And you can put all kind of different seasonings in it. I love putting roasted peppers in. Peppers are my thing. But I also like sun-dried tomatoes in my hummus. Put it in a blender. I have an immersion blender. Put it in a food processor. It will be amazing. It's like the difference between fresh guacamole and out the can or out the jar, or when they take the chemicals out. Oh my God, amazing. Okay, so listen, chickpeas are a legume. They are from the kidney bean family, and they are buttery and nutty and have a creamy texture. So if you're a texture person, they're creamy, they're not firm. The most chickpeas in the world are grown in India. India grows the most chickpeas, and that's why hummus is kind of known as an Indian Mediterranean dish. It's really popular there, but it's really good for you. Let me tell you about the chickpea. Seriously though, it helps control blood sugar because it has a low glycemic index and it digests slow. Okay, did you hear that? When it goes into your system, it goes through the process that our body was designed to go through, so that we would get all of the different nutrients and ingredients kind of like in a slow release, instead of it just shocking your system. That's what that sugar does. When you eat carbs and certain things and you eat them naked and they just go straight into your system, that's not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a slow digestion. So as a result, chickpeas are really good for digestion. They're good for bowel movements. They give you smoother and easier bowel movements, as well as regular bowel movements. Very important, because when your stuff goes in, it's supposed to come right on out now. Within 24 hours, if you ate something and it's not out of you, you got a problem. You might want to see your neighborhood herbalist. Okay, so listen, it helps reduce blood sugar. It keeps and insulin. It keeps it from going up and down so fast. It doesn't shock your system because it's a slow digestion. It's friendly to your body. It helps lower cholesterol. And it has so many different properties in it that I cannot pronounce. So Google it. But chickpeas have been known to counteract the things that destroy our cells, hurt our cells, cause cancer. It works against that. I thought that was a good elementary type explanation and description of how good chickpeas are for you. So they're tasty, they go in smooth, they come out smooth, and while they're in you, they are adding to you. They're building you up. They help make your bones stronger. They help controlling your blood sugar and your cholesterol. Chickpeas are really good for you. You need to be more intentional. So, as I've said many times, very seriously, eating is spiritual. Cooking is even more spiritual. And we all have to just be more intentional.